we can see that there are countless man-hours, millions of man-hours, millions of dollars that are spent, conferences everywhere, dealing with youth ministry and dealing with Sunday school. Now, I mean, it is a big thing in the evangelical community. Some people say it's the biggest, most important ministry. The Bible never commands us to do that. But the Bible does command fathers to disciple, to train, to discipline, to instruct their own children. Now I want you to think about something. How many conferences are there in the United States of America teaching fathers to train their own children? How much money is spent by the evangelical community in literature, books, so on and so forth, to teach these men to disciple their own children? Almost nothing. There are things in the Scriptures that maybe none of us are going to come to agreement on perfectly, exactly, and everything. But just look at this. There is no commandment in the Scriptures telling us to do these sort of things. But we have direct commandments in the Scriptures everywhere that men are supposed to teach and train their own children. So we have gone with a plan B. Do you see that? And you can pour money into it, man-hours into it, you can give your life for it, but it's plan B. It isn't the plan that God recommended and commanded. So even if there's some success in a youth group, it still doesn't make it biblical. And if it's not biblical, it's not right. The church was not commanded as a whole to take care of my children. I, as an individual, was commanded to take care of my children. And we are robbing men of a delight. Let's say that I walked in the youth group and the Word of God was being taught and worship was Christ-centered and the young people were growing some. Let's say that that's a pretty good scenario. Does that still make it right? You see, that's the question.